The criminals are united and strategizing against us, the agents of the state. So I encourage you, let us unite, strategize, and do the work that we swear that by the Almighty God to protect, serve, and reassure the citizens of Jamaica. But as a police federation, we continue to echo concerns about protocol at public hospitals for members of the security forces. It is something that needs immediate attention. And we continue to speak about this publicly. We continue to speak about this in our private meetings. And away from us knowing a doctor or a nurse or some medical practitioner or somebody in the field, when there is an established protocol for servicemen and women, especially police officers who engage gunmen on a daily basis, it will be easier. Doctors will not have to think. Nurses will not have to think. And while I acknowledge the great work of the medical team at the different public health facilities who have been working pretty well when our police officers are ill and they receive gunshot and all of that, I want to commend the medical team. However, another renewed call to the government of Jamaica: put the protocols in place for our policemen and women. We can't be facing criminals and experiencing accidents and different incidents, and we are sitting in our uniform injured and nobody looking at us.